Yeah, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Osas, and today we'll be having some technical analysis, analyzing some cryptocurrency pairs in the markets for the week. So let's see the opportunities we'll be having to take some trades. Before I proceed, please you can please subscribe, like, and share this video to as many out there. You can also drop a comment in the comment section. And if you have any questions in regards to the press I'll be analyzing, you can simply drop your questions on the comment section on the comment box, and trust me, I'm going to go through the comment section and I'll answer any issues or any stuff questions you have or anything that might be like a concern for you. I'll be uh, s- uh, resolving such questions on the comment section. So weekly, I'll be dropping different analysis on this YouTube channel. Also, I'll be dropping. We'll be having a different analysis on different pairs in the market. And if there's any pair you want me to analyze, you can drop it in the comment section, and I will look into it. So let's dive in. All right, guys. So one of the pairs we'll be looking into Euro USD, and we'll just go through. Let's just see how many pairs we'll be able to fine tune and to see the opportunities we'll be having in the market to take any trades. So let's analyze and see how I analyze the market and take the trades I take, and how I analyze or how I see the market to decide if I'll be going in for a short or I'll be going in for a long for a particular pairs. So currently now we'll be looking into Euro USD. We're looking into Euro USD. So personally, if I'm analyzing any currency pairs, first of all, what I do is I try to have forefront or have like a future idea of exactly where the direction that the market is going to. And what gives me that confidence or give me that edge or possibility to see or have a clear direction of the market is if I'm analyzing from the monthly time frame. So what I do, I go from the monthly time frame. From the monthly time frame, it gives me an idea of what we are looking into in the future, or looking also what we're probably having an idea of where the direction that the market is going to. Then I go to the daily. I plot my I plot my support and resistance on the daily. Then go to 4 hours to still see some other supports or resistance, or have an idea of where I could see a possible buy. Then go to a smaller time frame, like maybe the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, to see if I can get a tight entry. Then I jump into the pairs if I'm buying or I'm selling. So currently, we'll be diving straight and see how this works. So first of all, I go to the monthly time frame. Okay, so this is the monthly charts, and as we see, from what we have here on the charts, from all indications, we can tell that this market bearish, has been bearish from the year 2007. You can see we'll be having what uh, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower like lower low. Probably lower low was standing on same base with what the previous what low. So you see, lower high, we're having lower low. So yeah, we're having what a bearish trend. As you can see, if I draw my use my trend line, you can see that this market has been bearish for quite some time now. The market has been bearish since 2007 to 2009, down to 2024. So, but since we know it's bearish, we always sail us move according to the current. Like if you're on a river, you're trying to swim, you don't swim against the current, else it will be difficult or you drown. So what since we've discovered that the market has been moving bearish for quite some time, so what we need to do is to look for every opportunity to sell. Looking for every opportunity. That's the most of our trades will be taking have to be um getting an opportunity for us to place a sell in the market. So after getting this, what I need to do is like I've already plot my monthly my I've plot my resistance from the monthly candle. So I can just take this and let me work with the current. Let me work with the current resistance here. So as you can see, I have my support. I can also come over here and I'm seeing another support here. That is now acting as a resistance. It's acting as a resistance. So what I need to do is to go to my daily time frame. I go to my daily time frame. So now my daily time frame, remember, I'm only concentrating on this side, on this aspect of the market because this is where uh, I'm trying to get an opportunity to dive into any trade. So I don't need to bother myself on the monthly charts. Try to come over to this spots, like coming over to these spots. I don't need to come over to these spots here. I don't need to come over to these spots because for now we don't have any like anything to do with this with this side of the market. So what we're having concentration is what having concentration on this other aspect. So I have to go to my daily chart to see what is happening. And remember, I said this market is a what? Is a downward trend. We're looking for every opportunity to place a sell. So now it's for me to go to my daily time frame and plot my support and resistance. So now I can get my horizontal ray. Okay, we'll have one here, resistance. Then also we have another one at this point. We have another resistance at this point. How? You can see the market came to this point, came here, break we have a breakout at this point, and it came here over to retest. It came over here to retest, and what had another breakout here. We're having what another retest. So what I need to do is to get my next support. So at this point, yeah, I'm having my next support at this point. You can see the market came to this point, could not break out, but created a resistance. So we're having a support here. Why here becomes what our resistance. So currently, this is what we have. And remember, this is a bearish trend. Looking for every opportunity to sell. If I intend going into this trade, what I need to look for is every opportunity to sell. Because see, the market came to this point, we have a lower high, came to this point, lower low, we have a lower high. So we're expecting this market. I'm expecting this market to come to this point so that we can what? So that I can have what? An opportunity. I can have an opportunity to sell downwards. Okay, let me I'm trying to get a tool to make it easier for us to understand. Okay, let me use this. Okay, so I'm expecting the market to come to this point, and at this point, expecting it to break down, to break this point to this level. So this is what I'm expecting. So if this doesn't work out, then I'm still expecting the market. Okay, I'm expecting the market to go. If it can't break out at this point, then my next resistance should be expecting the market to come to this level and what we have what another lower low at this point. So what I'm going to do is this. If you look towards this place, we also have what another resistance. So I have to do what? I have to drop my horizontal line. So these are the points. These were just like kind of pointing out our key levels, pointing out our key levels at the point that we're expecting the market to get to before it starts to sell. So at this level, you can also check if our trend line. So my next conference is to check off for my trend line to see if my trend line with what will work out, will show me like give me an idea of where we think that this market is going to sell. Okay, let's see if this will play out. Okay, let's come over here and see. In which way we can see that we are expecting the market to give us what to pull out from this point. But to play safe, I'm not looking for any opportunity to buy at this point because it's not the market is not that clear for me. So I need to go to my 4 hours to see if I can get any other resistance. Okay, okay. On the 4 hours chart, we have what another resistance. You can see what you need to plot. Remember what I said from the initially. I said that for going for the monthly time frame to get the direction of the market, we'll go for the daily to plot our charts. Then we'll go also for the 4 hours to see if we can get any other resistance. Same thing just applied now, and we see we've gotten another resistance at this point. So you can see how the market plays out at this point. But it's touching our the trend line is creating what a resistance at this point. So at this point, I should be looking for what a short. I should be looking for a short for the market to come towards this place and what break down this support. And how am I looking for a short? Is because I'm looking for the market to create what an M, to create an M shape, create an M shape, and we can find if to create an M shape. And if we want to see that, is to go to a monthly time frame, to a lower time frame, being the 15 minutes or the 30 minutes. Then you see, just like what we have here, you can see create a double top and will start coming down. But at this point, if you check if you check our 1 hour and 4 hours, you can see we have what a double top. A double top. That's why you can see the market is dropping. It's dropping. And the next resistance we should be having is downwards. We should be having our resistance downward, expecting the market to break the support. So, however, this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at currently. If I'm to sell Euro USD, if I'm to sell Euro USD, I'm expecting the market to break out because here we have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're having what our lower high, expecting what a lower low. So if you're coming to this market, if at the time you're entering the trade, if the market has moved above your 20 pips stop loss, let's try to check if we have okay, okay. If I want to take this trade, it's already too late for me to take because most trade I take once this if once my stop loss is above 20 pips or 25 pips, I don't bother myself going for that trade. So if I wanted to go for this trade, probably on 15 minutes or 30 minutes, I should be able to see when the market broke out from this point. which will give me a smaller stop loss to take in the market. You can see I'm having a stop loss of 24 pips. So by now I should be on some profits. I should be on 32 pips, 32 pips already because this is my stop loss, and I'm expecting this market to pull back to this point. And let's watch. Just like I said, if you go to a smaller time frame, you begin to have an idea of how this market is reacting. Now, let's take our tool here and come to this point. You can see, you can see that the market, there was a resistance at this point. There was a resistance at this point. There was a resistance at this point. The market could not go above. There was a resistance. There was a resistance at this point. See, the market is breaking down. Already created what? An M structure. Breaking down. That's to tell that this market is going to fall. There's still every possibility of this market dropping more. You can see it's already broken this trend line. So here's another opportunity. Here's another opportunity for us to take this trade. Here is another fine opportunity. You can see 8 pips stop loss. Here's another opportunity that we can take this trade. So let's watch out and see how this trade goes. I'll come back to tell you how we're able to close in some profit on Euro USD. So you can see. So this is how I make my analysis. On a 15 minutes, I have what? An M, instead an M, and it's already breaking what? The trend line. You see? Because we'll miss the first opportunity we had here. We'll miss the first opportunity here. So now this is the second opportunity we're having for us to take this trade. So we've done our analysis on Euro USD. So let's go to GBP USD. A GBP USD, same thing. Let's go to our monthly time frame. Okay. Same thing happening in Euro USD. Euro USD and GBP USD, they are correlating. They are correlating in the sense that they are moving on same direction, moving on same direction. But that doesn't mean that if you're selling on Euro USD, you have to be selling on GBP USD. If you don't have a clear confirmation of where or having a good entry in any of these pairs, you don't go with the trade. So you have your full confirmation, the confluence. Like I will time I need to talk about confluence to let you know the what I look into or I look for before taking a trade. My confluence that gives me this uh, give me this opportunity or the probability or precision rather to tell me that if this trade I'm taking, there's every possibility that this trade is going to go to my favor. So these are the conferences I check. One is I have to check my support and resistance, my trend line, and I also have to make use of Fibonacci retracement. Then if I see market structure, so I'm talking about market structure in general. Then if I see then an M, creating an M shape or giving me a W, which is double top or double bottom, then I decide to say if it's safe for me to take such trade. So now let's jump into GBP USD. You can see and tell from the analysis I've done previously, you can see that GBP USD is already a bearish trend. It's already a bearish trend. It's already bearish. So what we need to do is to see how, first of all, I told you, go to monthly time frame. You can plot. You can come over here and plot our resistance here. Then if you can see from the screen, we'll be able to. I just try to plot in the major level, the key support and resistance. the key supports and resistance in my chart. I just try to pull them. Where mostly market reacts. Where mostly market reacts. So next I go to my daily time frame. I know that this market is going to sell. It's going to keep coming down. So what I need to do is to look for the possible spots I can get in. I can get into this trade. So we look for try to get our supports at this point. At this point, I'm looking forward to see the area in which I'll be taking this trade. Then I'm also having what? Having another support. So this is my resistance. I've gotten another support. Then let's go to our 4 hour candle. Okay. The 4 hour candle will give us a clearer picture of what we are looking for. Then let me try to get a trend line to see if okay. With our trend line, we can tell and see that the market is what? It's already creating a sell here. So what do we have here? Just like what I said initially, we have what? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And here we're also having what? A lower low. We're having a lower high, and we're expecting the market to break our support. Expecting the market to break our support because why? It's a downward trend. So we're expecting the market to break our support. While expecting the market to break our support, we need to look for what? A perfect entry. So at this point, I'm also seeing another resistance in the 4 hours. If I come to this point, I can draw this strong my trend line. You can see we have what? A resistance at this point. We're having a resistance. So the market tested here and start what? Pulling off. Start pulling. Then let's go to a 1 hour. You can see at 1 hour. So I'm also seeing another resistance here. So I'm seeing another resistance. Let's just take note of where markets always keep reacting, where market also keep reacting. So now at this point I'm expecting what? I'm expecting what? A sell. I'm expecting a sell at this point. We're expecting the market to come towards the side. So we're anticipating for what? 76 pips, 76 pips. So how much are we risking for that? We're risking just 10 pips. 10 pips to make 76 pips. So guys, we're expecting, this is what I'm expecting in the market currently. This is what I'm expecting currently. So let's go to our 4 hours chart. So I'm expecting this market to pull to this point, to pull from this level to this point, then down to this point. Then we can also maybe break so that we can have what? Another retest from this point to this point, then then the market keeps coming down. So let's just watch out and see what we're expecting further in the market. So currently, I think these are the two pairs I'll be analyzing for now. So let's watch out and see the outcome of these pairs. And in my next video, I'll be posting the results. Let's see how these trades played on our favor. So remember, we analyzed on Euro USD. I told you we are expecting what? A sell at this point. We're expecting, so let's see how the market plays out. We're expecting a sell, and also we're in GBP USD. Also, we are expecting what? We're expecting a sell from this key point. We're expecting what? A sell from this key point. So, you can see we have what's at this point. If you check, we do have what multiple. We do have a multiple resistance here. That's giving us already an M already here. Let's try to see it very well at this point. So we're expecting, we're already getting the pullback. We're already getting the pullback. So let's just see how this trade will play on our favor. Then secondly, let's observe and see what happens at this point. Let's observe and see what happens at this point. If the market comes to this point, let's watch if it's able to break this level. If it doesn't break this level, and you see it's forming an engulfing bar or a pin bar, forming an engulfing candle, we are able to create an engulfing candle or forming a pin bar, then we should try to what to create a break even in our trade or try to close our trade because we're expecting it to break this point. We're expecting it to break this point because we've already have a double bottom, a double top in our 30 minutes. So we're expecting a breakout at this point so that the market can keep moving down. So here comes to the end of this section. Please kindly click on the subscription button. If you have any comments, drop it on the comment box. Then let's watch out for our next analysis that will be dropping. Then I'll also be dropping the results for this trade because I'm taking this trade definitely. So I'll also be dropping the result of this trade. For those who will be watching the videos, you can watch kindly subscribe to so you get notified of the new of other videos I'll be posting on this channel so that we'll keep analyzing the market. If you have any comments, you drop them on the comment section. So for now, I'll be holding a break. So see you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.